Ryan Lem from Bench.
Good evening. So the question is, if you could change one thing in the world, what would it be and why? I'll repeat the question. If you could change one thing in the world, what would it be and why?
Nowadays, a lot of people lack understanding and kindness. It's very simple, but still it's very powerful. If you're just more understanding, more empathetic, more kind, in every simple way, I believe that there will be so much changes in our world. And I hope that people will learn from this, with all the chaos, with all the negativities happening in our world. Let us try to be more understanding, more kind, so that everyone will live in a better world, which is what everyone deserves. Thank you.
Yeah.